So specifically for the TFL and then into the anterior hip, I like something a little bit smaller, like the Hypersphere Mini or lacrosse ball. Even a softball will work if you have larger hips, larger structures. The foam rollers and stuff, they're okay for the thigh in general, but when it comes to the area between the head of your femur and your pelvis, it's a pretty small area, but there's a decent amount of tissue in there, so we want to make sure we can really get in there. So I'll go from where we ended up with the glute and just ride that onto the TFL area. And the TFL is kind of a flat muscle, like we showed in the anatomy, but it's really critical that we have some extensibility and some elasticity in the TFL for the entire thigh to loosen up a bit. And I can feel that the whole length of the TFL is pretty tender. So I'll do some isometric ramping there, contract the tissue, and then I'll do some hip rotation, everything I can do to break this stuff free. And then I'm gonna go all the way to the front, onto the top of the rectus femoris. I'll show you on this side. And with this one, I can bend the knee and extend the hip. Just freeing up the tissues, creating as much freedom, elasticity, softness as I possibly can.